Welcome to Special Meals! Today, we will be making dry anchovy fish avial. We will need 1.5 cups of dry anchovy fish, 1 cup of coconut, 3/4 cups of shallots, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 dry chilies, 2 green chilies, a little lemon-sized amount of tamarind, salt, 1 cup of water, and 3 teaspoons of oil. Soak the dry anchovy in water for 2 hours and clean it so there aren't any sand particles. Firstly, add 3 teaspoons of oil into the clay pot and add the 3/4 cups of lengthwise sliced shallots. Saute this for 1 minute. The shallots should be pretty crunchy when biting into it, so do not over-saute it. A fish curry made in a clay pot has a unique taste, but also a delicious one. Therefore, I will be making the aviyal in a clay pot. Let's saute it. Now add the dry paste of 1 cup coconut, 2 shallots, and 4 dry chilies. When grinding the paste, grind the chili well alone and then add the coconut and the shallots and grind it a bit of time. Only then you can make a paste which is grinded coarsely and dry. You can add chilies depending on your spice expectations. I have already soaked the tamarind in 1 cup of water and have set it aside. Now add only the tamarind water to the pot. Also add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, lengthwise sliced 2 green chilies, and salt. Generally, there won't be any salt in the dry anchovies, so add the amount of salt depending on your taste. Green chilies gives a good aroma for the aviyal. Now add 1.5 cup of dry anchovy fish and mix it well. After you have mixed it well and gently, close it with a lid. The temperature should be mild. Let's open it after 6 minutes. After opening it, let's mix it a bit so we can avoid burning. Eating this aviyal with rasam rice is very delicious. Let's mix it a bit. Now add the curry leaves and close it again for 6 minutes. I have added only a little amount of water, so keeping the aviyal in low temperature is very important. Let's open it after 6 minutes. Now you can see the oil floating from the coconut. We don't have to close the pot anymore. Let's keep the aviyal on flame until almost all of the water evaporates. It is not necessary to tamper for the aviyal. In the end, if you want to tamper, you can add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which will be enough. Today, I haven't added anything. Let's mix it. Now the aviyal has a thick consistency. That's it. We have made a flavorful aviyal made out of dry anchovy fish. Try to make this recipe at home and comment your experience. If you did enjoy and like the video, don't forget to subscribe Special Meals.